Hello and welcome to another MCO update on SUI. The SUI chart has pushed to that next resistance area and actually target area for that fifth wave to the upside. Quick reminder, we were tracking a 5-wave move from the April low, and this is now complete. At least, that again, that doesn't mean we have to reverse now to the downside, but it means we have fulfilled all my targets have been met. The prices formed that wave 1, that wave 2, the third. Then we were watching for a fourth that extended quite a bit, but it did not break support. And then this fifth wave is now a 5-wave move. And it even reached this area around $4.20 and $4.30 that I highlighted already a few days ago. In one of the last updates I communicated, this is here from our members area on Discord. That was on the 9th, a couple of days ago. We had at least, we had 3 waves down into support. 365 to 388 was our micro support area. That is still relevant for now. But the idea was that because of the 3-wave move down into support, and by the way, that is what Elliott wave teaches us. 3 waves down, as long as we're holding above support, wave count not full, allows for one more high. So the idea was that one more high could reach the $4.20 to $4.30 area. Yeah, we are there now. So what can I say? The wave count has completed. That, again, that does not guarantee a correction. In fact, very often we might get another high or so as long as support holds. Because I don't want to change support, I would still leave it in the area here between 365 and 388 for one specific reason. Because it is very much possible, because first of all, we had a rally and we broke back into the range. It can be that this was a high B wave. Yeah, I mean, talking about within a still unfolding 4th wave, that it was just a high B wave. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, and we make another high. Okay, and then we come down. So all I want to say is I'm not going to confirm a top yet, but I will tell you what I need to see as a first indication that we've topped and that we have started a larger correction. Hold on. A larger correction in wave 2. And once we have a top confirmed, I will confirm the support area target for the wave 2. But for now, the focus is on whether we have actually topped. That question cannot be answered yet, but the risk is definitely high because the wave count is now even on the nano level full. But the move up, it just doesn't look like, it just looks a bit like an internal B wave, okay? I still leave it labeled like that because the support area is still there. So as soon as we get a break below 365, that would be a good indication we have actually topped. But that can happen quickly, right? That can happen quickly. Against that area, I would still keep the focus on higher. Not like a great setup because it's now fulfilled the wave count, but it can extend. Now, the first indication a top might be in would be a break below these previous swing lows around $3.81 from the 9th of May and the 10th of May. So these would be the next signals that some kind of a top has formed. But until then, open to the idea that we might get one more upside extension. Because again, different ways, it could be that this was just a high B wave. That's absolutely possible. And the wave 4 is still unfolding. It's also possible that the wave 4 bottomed and we are still in the wave 5. And this is like a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So that can still happen. But that would extend it quite a bit. So not necessarily rely on that, yeah. So overall, targets reached. Now it's time to take a step back, see how the weekly candle closes across the sector. And then we should be all prepared for next week. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership if you're interested in the membership. You might want to consider to join today. We've got our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC today. You guys voted on Discord also for topics. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin indicators as well as a broader market update, including different sectors. Also, obviously, you can ask questions about charts, request charts, and I'll give my best to answer most of them. Depending on how much is going on, can never cover all really, but there's a good number of coins typically covered. So check it out, 5 p.m. UTC, that is. And hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.